Hi guys, so now I don't know how to express this, but Laksharaj Singh ji has been really kind and gracious enough to extend another different kind of an experience for us, and today we are going for chai and snacks at the world famous Taj Lake Palace. Let's see how this goes. Now we are on a boat ride and famous Taj Lake Palace. So guys, we have finally reached the Taj Lake Palace and I can't explain how pretty this is. One of the most premium luxurious property across the world. As we have reached over here, I'll just show you around this beautiful property. Okay, so what you can see behind me, this beautiful place is called as Gyan Sagar in the Taj Lake Palace. Why this is called as Gyan Sagar is because this was the reading area back then when the royals used to come over here. The royal family of Udaipur used to stay here until 1971. If I am wrong, please do correct me via comments. And this used to be the summer palace. So जब गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा होती थी, the entire family used to stay in middle of this lake. The paintings and everything what you can see, the Taj Group has retained it as is. So the area which you just saw right now and the area in which I am standing right now is called as the Jhankar Courtyard. यहाँ पे what the royals used to do is that area what you can see over there, the king used to sit along with his queens, and this area there used to be performances that used to happen over here. And in fact for quite some time, actually pre-COVID, the Taj Group used to organize folk dances over here. Since the COVID is going on right now, they have discontinued it for some time. So yep, they have kind of tried retaining this cultural heritage which used to go on back then until now, just temporarily shut because of COVID. Now the area what you can see is the king's courtroom. Here's where the king's throne used to be. And yes, everything, every painting, everything has been retained as is. And here is where king used to kind of meet people. So you must have heard about the term Diwane-Aam, Diwane-Khas. So this is how it looks at the Taj Lake Palace. This area used to be that basically. So the area what you can see behind me is the terrace area. Looks very pretty, especially during the sunset. And what जो पीछे decoration किया हुआ है, that is basically, you know, people staying here who are guests of the hotel. If they want to have a private dinner, the hotel kind of makes arrangement for it. So enjoy these views. We are here at the Taj Lake Palace and we have Siddharth over here who is going to take us through the grand royal suite of the palace. Okay, so please Siddharth, lead the way. Grand royal suite with the name of Sajjan.
For Maharana Bhupal Singh actually stayed here, and the views are spectacular from this room. The best thing is the wall engraving that we have here.
So if I recollect it right, Maharana Bhupal Singh is Arvind Singh Ji's grandfather, who is the current king.
Correct.
Okay.
This used to be his room, his suite, and his initials are visible in that engraving.
View is pretty. The room in itself is something very exotic and yeah. So can we just check the washroom?
Absolutely, please.
Have a look here. That's it. That's super duper luxurious
Luxury washroom for relaxation.
Yeah.
Just behind that we have a dressing room as well.
Shannon, we'll say hi once more. Cool. So Siddharth calls this dresser a very small dresser, but in Bombay, I guess this in this space probably you can find many people sleeping in.
It's a beautiful suite. The palace is entirely 277 years old, and this was actually one of the original suites in the palace that used to prevail, and now it's a suite for our guests. So I hope someday you can just come here and experience the suite with us.
I'm not sure about us anytime soon, at least in this year, because this room costs a whopping close to 5 to 6 lakhs a night. Okay, but yes, it's definitely worth every penny though. But yes, people who wish to stay over here and have deep pockets do consider coming to Taj Lake Palace and definitely meet Siddharth. He has been a very fantastic host and has taken us through the entire palace. There are much more things than the suite as well. The entire palace is very pretty, and yes, you must have seen this earlier as well.
Thank you. Come on with me.
So guys, heartfelt gratitude to Lakshya Raj Singh ji, because he's the one who has extended this experience to us and his entire team, including the Taj Group. They have set up a very pretty looking high tea at a very pretty looking location. Yes, I will keep trying. I'm sure this is going to be delish, but you should definitely look at the entire setup as well. हमने मंगाई है coffee and there are some snacks. Let you know how it tastes as and when you try them all.
Now leaving you guys with some very eye-pleasing night views of the Taj Lake Palace and Udaipur City Palace, and अपने वीडियो इतना देख ही लिया होगा तो please do like, share and subscribe. It really helps us a lot, guys.